Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be installing the front of the car basically all back together. The AC condenser, radiator, core support, headlights, front bumper, oil cooler, all that stuff, getting it all hooked up. And you'll be hearing it start for the first time towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. You may also see it move. Yeah. Also, big shout out to my buddy Wyatt in this video. He helped me out a lot with a few parts. And I needed the extra hand, so he was there to help me out. So his Instagram is in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, right now we're going to be attaching our condenser to our radiator, and then throwing the radiator behind, throwing our front core support on, and getting everything set up. Yeah.
Don't forget a light.
Huh? Oh, I don't need a light. I was born in the darkness. Not really. Well, I guess we all kind of were born in the darkness.
We're all born in
And it's dark in there until you get out. Have you seen that movie?
Which one?
Get Out. What'd you think I was talking about?
Never mind.
The birth video?
Nah.
I never saw that. Teacher had Mr. Hernandez. It was like, y'all don't need to see that. Just know it's gross, and I'm saving you. And we were like, okay. And then we watched Mean Girls. Alright guys, we are now going to be connecting the condenser to the radiator.
And then this lady started talking to me about my face.
Hi. My leg.
On Instagram?
We don't even got Brembos, bro.
Dude, I don't have Brembos. I got a freaking stock Z. Alright guys, we now have the condenser hooked up to the radiator and the radiator in place. We're now going to be just connecting the front core support up. Putting the mounting brackets and bolting it all together. Because this goes right here, that actually goes underneath.
Hole, guys. There you go. It's in the hole.
Alright.
I think.
Okay, so now that we kind of have that there, let's grab these and then bolt them on.
Does it need to go under the core support or the bracket? The head bracket.
Under both. There you go. There you go. You got good? Thank you, sir. I have HR front and rear headlight, and front and rear head and tail lights. I bought it like that. I didn't even know.
Black House?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I lost my coolant reservoir. It actually got sun damaged and the plastic was completely brittle. But luckily I found a 1 gallon water jug.
Stop.
This is my JDM. It's what they use in Japan.
Yeah.
Alright everyone, we're now going to put water in my radiator because, as you all know, radiators take water. Oh yeah. And this is Nismo water. It's imported from Japan.
Slow, fool. It's bubbling out.
You know what? It can bubble.
No, you're gonna get my intake wet.
Oh. Alright. So cooler. Who's your daddy? Alright, so right now I'm using zip ties, but don't worry, that's changing. I just... Sweet home Alabama. Alright guys, it's now time to put oil in the motor. Alright guys, let's do it.
Look at you.
Start off with, what, 6 quarts?
Ooh.
I shouldn't be smiling because anything can go wrong, but I'm hoping nothing does.
This is your first full swap, isn't it?
Yep.
You got it in. Probably most likely by yourself.
3 years without a car. Without this car.
And this is the breaking point.
I forgot what it sounded like. I forgot how it felt to drive the car. it up a little bit. Okay, let's bring about right there. Alright guys, I still have to torque down my crash bar, so I'm going to do that. But as you can see, it is on, it's mounted, and like I said, things are coming together really well. I'm very excited. The vehicle already starts up and runs fine. My camera died literally as soon as I turned on my car, like not joking. It was blinking a red flashing light saying the battery was dead when I went to start it up for the first time ever. And I started it up and Wyatt said the battery's done. But luckily he was recording with both his phone and my phone, so I got the footage, which is great, because that would have sucked definitely if I was just using my camera and I went to start it up for the first time by myself, and it died. But yeah, crash bar's on. I'm going to torque this thing down, and then we're going to throw the front bumper on basically, and yeah. As you can see, this is where I mounted my oil cooler. You can see that there are two brackets that are mounting the oil cooler to my bash bar, and you can see where the hoses are routed. I will definitely make sure to obviously record this tomorrow so you can see it better. Almost. I just adjusted my mirrors. That doesn't even matter. It moves! Alright, get out of the car though. Hey everyone, I really do hope that you enjoyed that video. It's been a crazy journey, and as you can see, this was kind of the final steps process, and the car ran on this street. It is no longer an inoperable car. I am so happy, and thank you guys so much for all the supportive comments you guys have been giving me over the past few years, and I'm so happy that I have been able to release these videos, you know, installs, how-tos, all that stuff with my car, and I can't wait for all the new content that's going to be coming out now that it is running. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Now, as you can see, this is very different from any other video I have done. This wasn't a step-by-step process as very descriptive, and also my other videos that weren't step-by-step were basically fast-forwarding through everything with music in the background. This was more of a cut-through of just commentary, entertainment, how-to, all that stuff. Definitely please leave in the comments down below what you thought of that, because this is a very different video from the ones I normally put out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day.